Talofa Lava. My name is Morwenna, and today we're going to be learning a few Samoan songs for children. But first we're going to learn Samoan Sign Language song for Faafetai, Atua. Then we're going to sing My God Loves Me, the Atua, and then we're going to sing our Tofa song. So thank you for joining us, and I hope that you enjoy. Talofa lava, faapefea mai outou, lena Faafetai. Talofa lava, faapefea mai outou, lena Faafetai. My God loves me, and all the wonders I see. The rainbows shine through my window. My God loves me. Atua faafetai, o mea matangawhia ua aia, lenua ua susumai, lo'u whaamarama le atua, Tu ua nei lea ona tatou te whaatofa, tofa, tofa, ia manatua lesu, tofa, tofa, ia manatua lesu. Untitled Lava. Thank you for joining us, and if you liked this video, please click the like button, and if you want to continue supporting our messy and treasures of Samoa, consider subscribing to our channel and writing in the description other videos that you would like us to make for you. Again, Faafetai Lava, aleluia.